Have you ever heard of a place where not even light can escape? A place so powerful it pulls everything inside, even time itself? Welcome to the mysterious world of black holes. Today, we'll explore what they are, how they are made, and why they amaze scientists all over the world. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and powerful things in the entire universe. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it, not even light. That's why it's called a black hole. It's like an invisible trap in space. You can't see it directly because it doesn't reflect light, but scientists know it's there because of how it affects nearby stars and light. Black holes are born when a giant star dies. The core collapses under its own gravity and becomes extremely dense, so dense that even light can't escape. How are black holes formed? Black holes usually form in the final stages of a massive star's life. Here's how. A massive star burns fuel like hydrogen in its core. This creates energy and keeps the star alive. Once that fuel runs out, the star can no longer fight against gravity. The core collapses, and the outer layers explode in a supernova. What remains becomes a super-dense point called a singularity, the heart of the black hole. At the center of a black hole, gravity becomes infinitely strong. Time, space, and matter behave differently here. It's like the rules of the universe are broken. Surrounding the black hole is an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Once anything crosses this point, whether it's a planet, a star, or even light, it can never escape. It's gone forever. Think of the event horizon like the edge of a waterfall. Once you pass it, you're pulled in with no chance of climbing back up. No one knows for sure what happens to things after they go inside a black hole. Some theories say they get crushed. Others suggest they could be transported to a different part of the universe. There are three main types of black holes. Stellar black holes, formed by collapsing stars. These are common and can be around 5 to 20 times the mass of our sun. Supermassive black holes. These are millions or even billions of times more massive than the sun. They sit at the center of almost every galaxy, including our own Milky Way. Scientists believe that without these, galaxies may not have formed the way they did. Intermediate and primordial. Black holes. Intermediate black holes are between stellar and supermassive in size. Primordial black holes are just a theory. They may have formed just after the Big Bang, but we haven't found one yet. Can black holes be seen? No, we can't see a black hole directly, but we know they exist because stars near a black hole move strangely, as if something invisible is pulling on them. When material like gas and dust falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits powerful X-rays. We can detect this from Earth. In 2019, scientists took the first real image of a black hole using a global network of telescopes. It looked like a glowing orange ring around a dark center. This was a huge moment for science. It proved black holes aren't just theories, they're real. What if you fall into a black hole? If a person ever fell into a black hole, it wouldn't be a fun trip. Near the event horizon, time would slow down drastically due to gravity. To an outside observer, you would appear frozen in time. But from your view, you'd fall faster and faster until reaching the singularity. As you fall in, your body would be stretched out, like spaghetti, because gravity is much stronger at your feet than your head. Scientists call this spaghettification. No one knows what really happens after that. You might be crushed into nothing, or maybe something more strange. Some theories suggest it could even lead to another universe. Why are black holes important? Black holes may help us understand how the universe works. They challenge the laws of physics and open up new questions. Is time travel possible? Do wormholes exist? Can information survive inside a black hole? By studying black holes, scientists hope to unlock secrets about the origin and fate of the universe. Black holes are the most mysterious, powerful, and fascinating objects in space. They remind us how little we know about the universe and how much there is still to discover. Even though they are dangerous, black holes inspire scientists, space lovers, and dreamers across the world. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, somewhere out there, hidden in the darkness, is a place where time and space are no longer the same.